Now we studied unit second, integration. Second, integration. Then first point is integration using using trigonometric identities. First is Pythagoras identities. Pythagoras identities. So first is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Second is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. And third, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Then next is sum difference formulae. First is sin a minus b is equal to sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b. Second formula, sin a minus b is equal to sin a into cos b minus तर ते मायनस होणार into cos a into sin b. Then third example, cos a plus b is equal to cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b. And fourth example, cos a minus b which is equal to cos a into cos b. इथे cos मायनस असेल तर प्लस येणार and sin a into sin b. Then next formula is sum to product formula. First is sin a plus sin b which is equal to 2 sin a plus b upon 2 into cos a minus b upon 2. Then second formula, sin a minus sin b which is equal to 2 cos a plus b upon 2 into sine a minus b upon 2. Then third formula is cos a plus cos b is equal to 2 cos a plus b upon 2 into cos a minus b upon 2. And fourth formula cos a minus cos b, which is equal to minus 2 sine a plus b upon 2 into sine a minus b upon 2. Then next formula is product to sum formulae. Product to sum formulas. First is sin x into cos y is equal to 1 by 2 sin x plus y plus sin x minus y. And second is cos x into sin y, which is equal to 1 by 2 sin x plus y minus sin x minus y. And third formula cos x into cos y is equal to 1 by 2 cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. Then fourth formula sin x into sin y is equal to minus 1 by 2 into cos x plus y minus cos x minus y. Then next formula is double angle formulas. Double angle formulas. First is sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x is equal to 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. And the second is tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. And third formula cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1, which is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x is equal to 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. Then next formula is triple angle formula. First is sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Second formula, cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Third formula is tan 3x is equal to 3 tan x minus tan cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. Then next formula is half angle formula. Half angle formula, first sin x is equal to 2 sin x upon 2 into cos x upon 2, which is equal to 2 tan x upon 2 upon 1 minus tan square x upon 2, which is equal to 2 tan x upon 2 and second tan x is equal to 2 tan x upon 2 upon 1 minus tan square x upon 2, and third formula, cos x is equal to cos square x upon 2 minus sin square x upon 2 is equal to 2 cos square x upon 2 minus 1 square x upon 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x upon 2, which is equal to 1 minus tan square x upon 2 upon 1 plus tan square x upon 2. Then we give the first example. Evaluate integration of sin square x into dx. So first upon, consider the integral I is equal to integration of sin square x into dx. It is the first equation, but sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. So put in this equation, so equation 1 becomes integration of 1 minus cos 2x upon 2 into dx, which is equal to integration of 1 upon 2 into 1 minus cos 2x into dx, which is equal to 1 by 2 into integration of 1 minus cos 2x into dx. Hence I is equal to 1 by 2 into integration of 1 into dx minus integration of cos 2x into dx. but integration of since integration of 1 into dx is equal to integration of dx is equal to x, and integration of cos x into dx is equal to sin x upon a. So this integration is integration of x is dx is x, and minus integration of cos a to x is sin 2x upon 2 plus c, and which is equal to x upon 2 minus sin 2x upon 2 into 2 4 plus c. Hence integration is this x upon 2 minus sin 2x upon 4. C is the constant. Then we give the second example. Evaluate integration of sin cube x into dx. So consider first I is equal to integration of sin cube x into dx. But we know that sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x, means which is equal to 4 sin cube x, which is equal to 3 sin x minus sin 3x, hence which is equal to sin cube x is equal to 3 sin x minus sin 3x upon 4. So equation 1 becomes put this value of sin cube x, hence I is equal to integration of 3 sin x minus sin 3x upon 4 into dx. Then separate this 3 sin x upon 4 into dx minus integration of sin 3x upon 4 into dx. So which is equal to I is equal to 3 upon 4 into integration of sin x into dx minus 1 upon 4 into integration of sin 3x into dx. But we know that integration of sin x into dx is equal to minus cos x upon a. Hence I is equal to 3 upon 4 into sin x, integration of sin x. Integration of sin x is minus cos x minus 1 upon 4, and integration of sin 3x is the minus cos 3x upon a means 3, and which is equal to minus 3 upon 4 into cos x, and minus minus plus 1 upon 4 into 3 12 into cos 3x plus c, and which is the interval I. Then we give next example. Evaluate integration of sin square x upon 2 into dx. So first of all, consider I is equal to integration of sin square x upon 2 into dx. And since x sin square x is 1 upon 1 minus cos 2x upon 2, and sin square x upon 2 is equal to 1 minus cos x upon 2. So put this value in this equation. I is equal to integration of 1 minus cos x upon 2 into dx is equal to 1 upon 2 into integration of 1 minus cos x into dx, which is equal to 1 upon 2 into integration of 1 into dx minus integration of cos x into dx. Then I is equal to 1 by 2, and integration of 1 into dx is x minus integration of cos x into integration of cos x is minus sin x. And integration of cos x is sin x plus c, and which is equal to 1 upon 2 x minus sin x plus c, which is the integration of this interval. Then we give the next example. Evaluate integration of sin x plus cos x square into dx. So first of all, consider I is equal to integration of sin x plus cos x square into dx. it is first equation. Then we put in this a plus b square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. But here sin x plus cos x, here sin x is the a and it is b, so a square means sin square x plus 2ab means 2 sin x into cos x plus cos square x, b square means cos square x. But sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1, and 1 plus 2 sin x into cos square x, since sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Find out integration of these 1 plus 2 sin x into cos x into dx. But we know that 2 sin x into cos x is equal to sin 2x into dx, since 2 sin x into cos x is equal to sin 2x, and then separate this equation 1 into dx plus integration of sin 2x into dx. Then here integration of dx is the x plus integration of sin is minus cos 2x upon 2 plus c is the integration of this interval. Then we give next example. Integrate with respect to x root 1 plus cos 2x. So consider I is equal to integration of 1 plus cos 2x into dx. But we know that cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x upon 2, and so 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 into cos square x. So equation 1 becomes integration of 1 plus cos 2x means 2 cos square x. So root 2 cos square x into dx, put in this equation, which is equal to integration of root 2 into square root of cos square x is cos x into square root of cos square x into dx. But we know that square root of cos square x is cos x into dx. which is equal to root 2 into integration of cos x into dx. But here I is equal to integration of cos x is sin x plus c, which is equal to root 2 sin x plus c, which is the integration of this interval. Then we give next example. Evaluate integration of 1 minus cos 2x upon 1 plus cos 2x into dx. So first upon consider I is equal to integration of 1 minus cos 2x upon 1 plus cos 2x into dx. So we know that 1 minus cos 2x upon 2, which is equal to sin square x, and 1 plus cos 2x upon 2 is equal to cos square x, which is equal to 1 minus cos 2x. but आपल्याला 1 minus cos 2x फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. इज इक्वल टू 2 into sin square x and 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x. So put this value in this equation. 1 minus cos 2x is the 2 sin square x and 1 plus cos 2x is the 2 cos square x into dx. So 2 and 2 cancel, and which is equal to integration of sin upon cos theta is the tan theta. So which is equal to tan square x into dx. Since sin x upon cos x is equal to tan x, but tan square x is equal to, here tan square x is equal to sec square x minus 1. So tan sec square x minus 1 into dx. Into tan square x means this equation. Then separate this term sec square x into dx minus integration of 1 into dx. But integration of sec square x is the tan x, because derivative of tan x is sec square x minus integration of dx is x plus c. Hence I is equal to tan x minus x plus c. Then we give next example. Evaluate integration of sin 3x into cos 7x into dx. So first of all, consider I is equal to integration of sine 3x into cos 7x into dx. This is first equation. Then suppose first cos 7x, cos 7x into sine 7x sine 3x into dx. This is second equation. But we know that cos A into sin B, which is equal to cos A into sin B is equal to 1 by 2 sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Hence cos 7x into sin 3x is equal to 1 by 2 sin A plus B means 7x plus 3x minus sin A minus B means 7x minus 3x. So which is equal to 1 by 2 into sin 7 plus 3 10x minus sin 7x minus 3x is the 4x. So we use this formula. Then I is equal to integration of this 1 by 2 into sin 10x minus sin 4x into dx. Then common this from 1 by 2 into integration of sin 10x into dx minus integration of sin 4x into dx is equal to 1 by 2, but integration of sin is minus cos 10x upon 10 minus sin integration of sin is the minus cos 4x upon 4 plus c, which is equal to 1 by 2 minus cos 10x upon 10 minus plus cos 4x upon 4 plus c. Hence which is equal to minus cos 10x upon 10 into 2 20 plus cos 4x upon 4 into 2 8 plus c, which is equal to I. And which is the integration of this. Then we give next example. Evaluate integration of cosec square x raised to x degree into dx. So consider I is equal to cosec square x degree into dx, but we know that 1 degree is equal to pi upon 180. Hence I is equal to means x degree is equal to pi into x upon 180. So I is equal to integration of cosec square x degree means pi x upon 180 degree into dx, and which is equal to but we know that since integration of cosec square x into dx is equal to minus cot x upon a, which is equal to minus cot a means pi upon 180 x a into x minus cot a x minus cot a x upon 1 upon a means pi upon 180 plus c, and which is equal to minus pi upon, hence minus 180 upon pi into cot pi upon 180 plus c ax. So pi x upon minus cot a x upon a means pi upon 180 ax upon a. So cot pi x upon 180 plus c, hence I is equal to this.